This is Budapest, where the Danube splits a 1,000-year-old kingdom in two, where every bridge tells a story, and every sunset turns the river into gold. They call it the Pearl of the Danube. From up here it's easy to see why. On one side, Buda, hills, history, royal palaces. On the other, Pest, the heartbeat of the city. Two halves joined by 7 bridges and a single restless river that has carried empires, armies, and ordinary lives for centuries. That's the Chain Bridge, the first permanent crossing between Buda and Pest. When it opened in 1849, it didn't just connect 2 cities, it created one. Tonight, like every night, it glows above the water like a string of pearls. A little further south, the white cables of the Elisabeth Bridge stretch across the river. And to the north, the soft arches of Margaret Bridge lead to a green island in the heart of the city. But the building everyone comes to see is this one, the Hungarian Parliament, the 3rd largest in the world. 691 rooms, a dome 96 metres tall, exactly the year Hungarians arrived in this land. At twilight, when the lights come on, it doesn't look real. Below, life keeps moving. Boats slide down the river, trams hum along the embankments, the Buda hills fade into deep blue, and one by one, the windows of the city flicker on. Budapest doesn't shout, it glows, it hums, it waits for you to slow down and notice. Roman emperors bathed in its waters, Habsburg kings ruled from its hills, revolutions began in its streets, and somehow it's still standing, beautiful, broken, beating. A city of bridges in every sense of the word, between east and west, between past and future, between Buda and Pest. Whatever you're looking for, beauty, history, a moment that stops you cold, Budapest will give it to you. You just have to be here when the lights come on. This is Budapest, the Pearl of the Danube.